Hello, good morning children. Today we are going to study Maths Playing with Numbers. Take out chapter 3, page 44. Page 44. Follow me children. First number 45. Any number. Number 45. No. So first one you see. Write the numbers that come just before. You see, number 29. Before not 29, write here. Before 29, 28. Before 37, 36. Before 47, 46. So before. Okay. Next. Okay, follow me. Before 44, before 50. So write before 44, 43. Before 50, 49. Okay. Number 1 question. Number 2. Write the numbers that come just after. Just after. So you see 31. After 31, 32. So 45. After 45 you write here. After 27. So you write after 45, 46. After 27, 28. Okay. So practice. Okay, number 2. Number 3, write the numbers that come in between. In between. So, between 21, 23, 21, 23, 22. So, write practice children. Okay, 21, 1, 23. So, see. Between 21 23 22. Next question 35 37. So see 35 36. So 36, between 36 comes in between 35 36. So write here 36. Okay. So practice children. Okay, you see 40 dash 42. So 41. So 41 comes in between 40 and 42. So next 43 comes in between 44 46. Okay, so practice children. Next same or equal to and less than sign and greater than sign is very important. Exercise 3C. Complete the following numbers using less than, greater than or equal. So you see first 10, 25. So you see first number, small number, greater number. So first number is smaller number to smaller number, then 25. So your mark is symbol is smaller, so less than sign. Okay, so follow me. See number 1, 14, 12. Follow me. 14, 12, 44, 44. Next 27, 29. So sign. First you see 14 is greater than 12. So your sign is greater than. 44 equal 44. So sign equal. 27 less than 29. So 27 is small number. Okay. So your sign is smaller than. So children, practice. Page 45. Practice. Next, see, tick the smallest number and cross the greatest number for each of the following sets. So see, smallest number, tick first 10, 16, 35, 14, 39. So you see first number. So you find it smallest number. So you see 10 is smallest number. So circle for each, tick the smallest number and cross the greatest number. No. Tick the. So question first read. Okay. Page 46. Tick the smallest number. Number 18, 17, 29, 31, 41. So question is tick the smallest number. So find it first. Smallest number is 17. I tick and cross the greatest number. So you see, find it greatest number is 41. So cross greatest number. Okay. So first you read question properly. Read properly. Question read properly. Remember that. So next 48, 14, 35, 47, 39. So again you find it smallest number. You see 14. So tick 14 and greatest number cross. Find it greatest number. Yes, 48. So cross. Okay. Next exercise 3D. 1. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. This is ascending order and descending order. So first one ascending order. Number right here first. Ascending order. Exercise 3D number 1. Ascending order. 18, 45, 36, 29, 41. Practice. Okay children, first ascending order means smallest to greatest number. Okay, so find it first smallest number. 18, 29, 36, 41, 45. Okay, smallest to greatest number. Ascending order. Next, number 2, arrange the following numbers in descending order. Descending order means greatest to smallest number. Number 2, A, 36, 12, 45, 57. So write first, find it children, find it greatest number. Write first 50, 45, 36, 12 and 7. Okay, do it on your own. BC. Okay. Next 47 is activity. So children, page 44, 45, 46, 47 practice. Okay.